Welcome back to our 12th video in our WordPress tutorial series. Today, we are going to show you how to set your home page as your default page. So when people visit your website, instead of seeing your recent posts or blogs, they can see your home page. A home page holds particular importance for websites, especially for new ones, because it serves as the first point of contact with visitors who may not yet be familiar with your brand, blog, or page. Companies like Walmart or Amazon, which enjoy widespread recognition, may not require a traditional homepage since their brands are already well established. However, for most other businesses, brands, blogs, or pages, having a homepage remains crucial for effective online presence and engagement. In our 6th video, How to Create Pages in WordPress, we already created a home page and uploaded an image along with an introduction. You can find the video in our YouTube playlist. However, when we go to our website and refresh it, all our blog posts that we published are shown. We need to change it so that our home page is the first page that is shown when we visit our website. Okay. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Click Pages. As you can see, these were the different pages that we created in our 6th video on how to create a WordPress page. Just make sure that you already have created a home page before we proceed. And if you have not created a home page, just see our video, which is in the YouTube channel playlist. Now go to Settings and click on Reading. As you can see, at the top, it says, Your home page displays your latest posts. Since this is selected whenever we open our website, all our blog posts are automatically being shown. We need to change it. Simply select the second option, a static page. Now go to where it says Home Page. All the pages that you created are shown here. It is important to note here that you can select any page that you want as your main default home page. It does not have to be the home page that you created. If you want your contact information to show as soon as you open your website, select Contact. If you want an About Us page, just choose About Us and save the changes. We want our home page, so we are going to select it. Now, as far as Post Page are concerned, you should select your blog posts page here. Normally, people go to the blog post page to go through the blog, so that is the best option here. Click Save Changes. Okay, let's open up a new tab and see the changes on our website. Well, as you can see, this is our home page. From now on, whenever you open the website leatherjockey.store, you will get this as your default page. Your home page has been set as your default page. Now, if you go to Blog Post and click on it, you will see all the blog posts that we made are showing here. And I think this is a much better way for your website to look. It gives a more professional look when you open it. It shows your home page, which has a nice image and a small introduction. And if you click on Blog Posts, it should show all your posts in one place. Finally, there is one more way of changing your home page. We are going to show you the second way also. Go to your dashboard. Click on Appearance and then Customize. You can also change your home page from here. As you can see, this is the customization section of the WordPress theme. Now, if you scroll down here, you'll see the home page settings. Click on it. These are the same settings as before, but now we have accessed them from the WordPress theme. Any changes you do here, after saving it, will reflect on your website. Now, if you want to change the home page, simply click on the home page and choose which page you want to show as your home page. Don't forget to head to Publish at the top when you're done and click it so that the changes are saved. Whichever method you choose, the end result will be the same. Your home page will be set as your default page. Your default page is also known as the front page. If we go to our WordPress dashboard and click on Pages, you should see Front Page written after Home Page. This means that you have set the home page as the front page. If you look at the blog posts, you will see Post Page written after it. This means that all posts will be shown here at the post page. In the end, let us discuss the importance of a home page. 1. Helps to create a good first impression. It helps you to engage website visitors when you show compelling visuals and content on the home page, which can captivate and help retain visitor interest. 2. Helps to establish brand identity. It showcases your brand, logo, and key messaging, which is especially helpful for new pages. 3. Promotes important content. It highlights key products, services, promotions, or other important announcements. 4. Increases conversions. It can direct visitors toward desired actions like signing up or making a purchase or some other call to action. 5. Improves search engine optimization. It can help to optimize keywords and improve search engine rankings. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We appreciate your feedback, so drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.